Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic. Once I get over my allergic reaction, let me say that we're here in part because we know how important this election is to Ohio. Look at Donald Trump's track record when it comes to hardworking men and women. I know, I'm allergic to it too, but you have to look at his record. There may be people you know who are thinking about voting for him. And you know, friends don't let friends vote for Trump.